Next, we're going to discuss FHA loans. So have any of you ever had a client that's super excited about a house until they found out that it needed repairs and FHA said, nope, we're not doing that? Well, I'm sure we all have, and FHA has some pretty picky property rules. So let's talk about what you need to watch out for. With FHA has minimum property standards that must be met in order for the property to be eligible. Typically, those property standards are going to revolve around health and safety issues. So the most common repair that we see with FHA programs is peeling and chipping paint on a house that's been built before 1978. Anything else that would be considered a health or safety hazard is usually going to be cited by an FHA appraiser during the inspection process. The FHA program is ideal for borrowers that typically have lower credit scores, they're first-time home buyers, maybe they don't have as big of a down payment to put down on the home, because the minimum credit score, the minimum down payment is only 3.5%, and we can typically go as low as a 580 credit score for borrowers that have just that 3.5% down. Any borrowers that have a credit score lower than 580 could potentially still qualify. We can go as low as 500 if your borrower has 10% to put down. Now, interest rates on these programs are typically going to be higher than what the normal FHA rates are, but if it means the difference between your buyer being able to purchase a home or rent a home, you remember that renting is 100% interest. So in this case, it would probably make more sense for them to look at this FHA program. FHA programs also have private mortgage insurance, but FHA calls this mortgage insurance premiums, or MIP. And it is for the life of the loan unless your borrower has the ability to put at least 10% down. When they are putting the minimum down, the MIP premium stays on for the life of the loan or until the borrower refinances. And once again, the property must meet minimum HUD standards or minimum property requirements. If you have additional questions about what those minimum property requirements are, or if a particular property your buyer is trying to purchase would meet them, please feel free to reach out to your lender.